I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. This week I'm reposting the patterns and tutorials for making my fashion doll ninja costume, complete with a mask and full bodysuit. I've had this pattern on my website for a while, but I've recently converted those patterns from a JPEG image like you see here to an easy to print PDF format. Please click on the link in the description below this video on YouTube to navigate over to my website where you can download and print these free PDF sewing patterns. I'll also give you a link to purchase the sword. Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. You guys have inspired a lot of the doll clothes that I have designed, the free patterns that are available at shelleywood.com. But my list of requests is becoming huge. So it's time for me to offer a course where I teach you the 3 easy methods that I use to design doll clothes patterns. If you're curious about my class, I recommend that you go to creativespark.ctpub.com where you can sign up for their newsletter. That's the platform I'll be using for my paid courses. If you enjoy my free tutorials, wait till you see what I'm creating for Creative Spark. I look forward to creating amazing patterns with you.